What makes Lady Tamayo's cat so unique? Lady Tamayo's cat, Chachimaru, is far more than just a pet. She's one of the most underrated characters in Demon Slayer. Originally saved by Tamayo when she was sick, Chachimaru was transformed into a demon, much like Yushiro, showing Tamayo's deep care for those close to her. Despite her small and innocent appearance, Chachimaru played a crucial role in the downfall of Muzan. She acted as a stealthy spy and delivered demon blood samples collected from Tanjiro to Tamayo, aiding in her research. Her blood demon art allows her to become invisible, making her perfect for covert missions. On top of that, Chachimaru displays exceptional intelligence and understanding of human language, which makes her an indispensable ally to Tamayo.